Welcome back, scientists in training. Today we are diving into the wonderfully chaotic world of mutations, the oops moments of DNA. But don't worry, all mistakes are not bad. In fact, every species on Earth owes its existence to a few typos in the genetic code. So, buckle up. We're going to explore how DNA errors happen, how cells fix them, and why your future exam questions absolutely love this topic. A mutation is simply a typo in DNA's instruction manual. Sometimes it's like a harmless autocorrect fail. Other times, it's a full-blown system crash. These changes can be spontaneous during replication or triggered by mutagens, like UV rays, cigarette smoke, or cosmic radiation. The good news? Most mutations do nothing. The bad news, the few that matter really matter. Mutations come in flavors. A point mutation swaps one base for another, like changing cat to cut. A deletion or insertion can change the entire genetic sequence, known as a frameshift, turning the cat 8 into the CAATT. You get the idea. Not great for protein recipes. DNA is a molecular perfectionist, but even perfectionists make mistakes. Replication errors sneak in about once every billion bases. Not bad odds. Then come external troublemakers. UV rays from sunlight, X-rays, mutagenic chemicals, and even viruses that rewrite DNA like hackers. Thankfully, cells have a full repair crew on standby. DNA isn't just written once and forgotten. It's edited constantly. DNA polymerase proofreads as it goes, catching errors faster than your spell checker. If something slips through, mismatch repair enzymes clean up. For serious damage, excision repair removes and replaces sections of code. Think of it as molecular autocorrect, but with enzymes instead of AI. When repair systems fail, the consequences can be serious. A single misplaced base can produce a broken protein, sometimes leading to diseases like cystic fibrosis or sickle cell anemia. If mutations occur in genes that control cell growth, they can cause cancer. It's like breaking the brakes in your car. Not ideal for safety. Here's the twist. Not all mutations are villains. Some are heroes. A random mutation might give bacteria antibiotic resistance or help humans digest milk. These beneficial changes fuel evolution. So, yes, your brown eyes or ability to run marathons may have started as an ancient DNA typo that stuck around. Mutations come in two main categories: germline, in sperm or egg cells, and somatic, in regular body cells. Germline mutations get passed on. Your children inherit them. Somatic ones, like those that cause skin cancer, stay with you alone. Think of germline mutations as heirlooms and somatic ones as unfortunate souvenirs. Mutagens are all around us, from UV rays at the beach to chemicals in your fries. Most are harmful in small doses, but prolonged exposure adds up. Wear sunscreen, skip smoking, and maybe don't microwave plastic containers. Protect your DNA. It's the only copy you've got. Let's look at real world examples. Sickle cell anemia comes from a single base substitution, one letter in your DNA alphabet swapped. Cystic fibrosis stems from a deletion of three bases. Meanwhile, lactose tolerance arose as a beneficial mutation in dairy drinking cultures. Nature's way of rewarding people for loving cheese. For exams, focus on mutation types: point, insertion, deletion, repair systems, proofreading, mismatch, excision, and examples that should show cause and effect. If a question mentions base substitution, your brain should scream sickle cell. And if you can explain both the danger and the benefit of mutations, you'll ace those essay questions. Mutations are both creators and destroyers. They spark evolution, cause diseases, and keep life interesting. Luckily, our DNA repair systems catch most mistakes before they cause trouble. So, next time your cell divides, give a silent round of applause to your enzymes for proofreading billions of bases, faster than you can say biology final. That's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and check out Dr. B's tutorials on Amazon for full AP and IB study guides. See the first link in the comment below. For more tutorials and test prep videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Dr. B's Tutorials.